guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Dabney and I'm gonna take you guys on my Tofino vlog. I'm here for the weekend as a weekend getaway. Outfit today.
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Baby, now let me warm you up. Oh baby, please let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold, I will warm you.
Okay, so we're just doing a trail right now that's gonna take us to a little beach area, and yeah, it'll be fun. It is 10:30 a.m. and this is the first thing we're doing.
Baby, don't hold forget me. Enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh, oh. Baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out to you, baby. Let me warm you up. You found me happy, you leave me happy. Every day I like to go far with you. Don't forget me now, don't let me down. Everything I do is for your heart, baby.
So we left the shed and now we're gonna go to Tofino. We just finished eating at Tofino and it was amazing. Probably hands down the best place I've had tacos. I've had the Gastown location before and that one's like so good too, but this was the OG Tofino and it was amazing. I'm 100% gonna go there tomorrow before we leave. So we're just back at Pacific Sands now and we're gonna walk towards the Surfside Grill here and just chill. walking down to the beach where we are staying just there. We're on the second floor and the beach is just a walk down from our room.